Hey everybody, welcome back to this project. In previous video we worked on insert new post. Now in this video I will be teaching you about view all posts. So when we click view all posts, there should be all posts coming from the database, so we can edit them, we can delete any post if we don't like, and we can see the statistics of that post, of different posts that we have in the database. Come over here, and the first thing is to create a new page called viewpost.php. Control N, press Control N, and the new page will be like PHP. So just in the body tag, just insert something like a form called, no, there is no need to for form, just a table. Create a table, and align will be centered, and after that just make sure to bg color will be this one, orange, and okay, table is created, and after the table create a row, table row, and inside the tr say td, and then h1 tag, h2, say view all posts here. That's it. Save this page with the name inside the includes folder, and name it view.post_post.php. What you can do more over here is that the first thing, tr, again tr, and then th, and say post post id, okay, and then copy this th is basically the table heading, twice, thrice, fourth, fifth, copy and paste it again and again. Now post id or title, and the next is the image of the post, and the next is the image of the post, and the next is comments for that post, and no, author of that post, and comment, image, and then comments for that post, and then after that, this very simply edit that post and delete that post. This is all we have done in the th part. Now the next video will be simply the next tr, and inside the tr there will be tds, which will be holding the data. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have 7 th, so 7 tds will be here, 4 5 6 7. I have copied and pasted it here. Now if you go to your page, before going there you need to actually come back over here, and as you have given index.php a get variable view post, so just copy this thing and paste it over here again. If is set, change this variable to view_post, and includes, and view_post. This page should be displayed the same place. Now come over here, press your page, view post, so you see this thing, view all post here, author name and whatsoever. Now it's not looking very good, but we can make it beautiful. First you need to now close this. You can directly access this page from here, from the index page itself. First give a width to the table, which will be something like 780. So after you give this, now the call span for this TD will be 8, and you need to save all. Come back and you see this thing. This is good. View all post here, and this TD should be aligned centered. Also BG color for this TD will be something like black. Not black will not be good, so we need to insert this kind of color. Yes, check out view all post here. So now the next thing is this author, post ID, whatsoever. You can design them as well. As simply say to the th or there, come here in the head section, just start a style. Type is equal to text.css, and after that close it and write that for the td, th, td, tr and table, padding will be 0, margin will be 0. However, for th we will say border left should be 2 pixel solid, and its color should be something like this. Anyhow, now save all, refresh your page. You see a border over here, and if you want to make it bigger, this one you can do as well. Just add some padding to this thing. H2, padding 10 pixel. Very simple. Refresh it, you will see some. Now this is looking better. What is next? The next thing is actually displaying the results and these TDs which are empty now. So you need to actually insert your codes from here. PHP block, and you need to first of all include your database, include, and then includes, and then database.php. This is the page you have. So after the including the database, you need to simply say create a query get underscore post, and equal it get underscore post is a local variable, and it is equal to select all posts from post table, and the next thing is to run underscore posts should be equal to mysql underscore query, and that is get post. So the next thing is the while the loop. This is a loop. Now we say row underscore post and equal to mysql underscore fetch array. Which one we are going to make fetch array? This one. And after that is two while loops. I mean the two curly brackets for the while loop. Now the first thing we need is the post id. Post underscore id is equal to row post, and that is post id inside the table. You already been doing this process again and again. Now post id, paste it again. So the post id, and the next is the post title, and this will also be changed to paste title. Post author from the table database, and post author will be its name. Post image and post image. The next thing is comments. We will do something for comments later. Let's delete it now. Remove this curly bracket from here and just close it here. PHP block, inside that we just added curly bracket. Now you can simply echo this data which is coming from the database, but before this query we need to actually insert let me tell you one thing. You can display this whole data coming from the database inside the TDs like this. PHP echo that variable post id. This is the serial number for the post. Now copy this whole line by using Ctrl C and change this to the post title. Next is post title and post author, and the next one is post image. No, here we will use something different. Here we will add image tag, and source will be something like images folder, news underscore images, and that will be this image, post underscore image. Set, sorry, this we need to echo this variable inside PHP. Post image underscore image. So this is what we needed to do. What we did, I am telling you again. We just simply did a table and gave it a width and basic color etc. And after that, in a TR, we added some TH. In a TR, you can add many TH and TDs inside that. This is basically a single cell. So we just added some titles like post ID, title, author, image, comments, and edit and delete. And we know that these all are for the post title and post author in this thing. And after that, before the second TR, we wrote our script. First we did included the database because we are dealing with the database. And after that we ran the query and while loop, and after that we have these all from the database in local variables, and then we simply encode them in the TDs below. Also this TR is coming here and TR is closed here, and we have closed the while loop below this TR, so it will repeat the records again and again. So as many records we have in the database, all of them will be displayed using this single syntax. That's it. Now we can add simply a text or a link, or up is equal to, for example, delete.php, and text will be delete for that link. No, sorry, this is edit underscore post.php, text will be edit, and here another one will be href is equal to delete underscore post.php, and text will be delete. So the below are two are just links. Now just save all and just refresh this page, and you see all of these posts, but the images are actually in fixed size, in original size, so we need to give them width and height accordingly. Width is equal to 60 pixels and height is equal to 60 pixels. We resize the image. Now just refresh it, you see these are the images, and these are the titles of the post, and these are, so you want to change the color of the table to something else, you can do that. I think the table color is a little bit very not good, so I changed it. Now it is looking little bit good, better than previous one. You can also say like table and th and td border should be so you see these are the post coming from the database with the images and respective author names, also the edit link and delete link and etc. However, just go and remove the td from here. The th will have its own border bottom as well, which will be 3 pixels solid, and its color will be something like very this one. Can add td padding 2 pixel, and color, color is okay, border left 2 pixels solid, this thing. Save all. No, looking very good than the previous one, but you need to actually make them center align. You very simply can do by using center align center tag over here. Very simple. Yes, all are now centered aligned. But I see one problem over here, and that problem is basically not related to our programming. Basically these IDs are coming, by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. This is because we actually we actually deleted some post. So by default, when we deleted 1 and 2 posts, so the IDs were 1 and 2, so those IDs did not come back, and the operation is going on from 3 onwards. So if you want to add 1 to 3 like that, then you simply can create a local variable before the while loop. Just make sure that you create a variable, just like I is equal to 1. That's it. But make sure before the while loop you create this I is equal to 1, and now just come back and say it here, I plus plus. That's very simple. Refresh your page, save your page, and thing syntax error unprotected in 43. Oh my god, I didn't add $sign. $sign is very necessary for creating a variable, a local variable, some data you want to store. Now you see 1 2 3 4 5 like that. If you add more, there will be more. This is now in front of you. For the comments part, you want to add how many comments a post has got, so you can add that comments over here in this area. So simply go to your this place, write one query again, PHP, and close PHP, and say get underscore comments is equal to select all from comments where post ID is equal to this one, which is coming above, this one. So the next part is very simple. Just say run comments underscore comments is equal to MySQL underscore query, and that will be is equal to get comments, and then while our comment underscore row equal to MySQL underscore fetch array, and that is this one, run comments. And after that, just make sure simply create a variable comment. Oh, I'm sorry, while loop. We don't need while loop or here. We'll simply say count is equal to MySQL num rows, which is this run comments one. Yes, echo count. That's it. Save all. Refresh your page. You will see 0 comments for this post, 3 for this one, and 0 0 0 0 0 1 for this one. So how many comments has a post that will be counted over here in front of you with this thing. we need to actually remove the the padding from the TD. It's not actually getting us good result. Save all. No, it's good. Anyhow, I think you have got what I am saying now. The delete part is very simple. Just add something more to it. The delete and the edit part. Yes, you need to add a variable like after you can create a URL variable or a get variable like with the question mark. Just say edit underscore post, and this will be equal to, then in PHP echo that ID, the specific ID, which is post ID, post underscore ID. So this is this thing actually, in fact very simple. And we will also create another delete underscore post will be equal to, and we'll post this thing post ID. That's it. Just save him. We just echoed that specific ID. So if you click any of the post edit link, so you will go to that specific post. Just refresh the page again, and you come here. Is saying, just observe over here, it's saying edit or post or edit post number 3, edit post number 4, post number 5, post number 6, and same with the delete. So when you click this, you will delete that or you will edit that post. So this is very simple. There is nothing special in it. You have done it already many times in this project. However, this is not done. We can see this is the title of the post, the author of the post, how many comments it has, and similar things. But in next video lecture we will work on deleting and editing this post if you want, if the administrator wants. And in last, after completing the category part and the viewing comments part and this post part, so after that we will then secure this admin panel and will create a login form as well. I need to reduce the size of the image. So I think you understood what I'm talking about, so we can further proceed this project to complete. Stay tuned till next tutorial.